All right, so I am with Patty. We've gotten all hitched up and we're ready to go. We've been camping, boondocking for 2 nights. Absolutely gorgeous. Was pretty wet, but we were sheltered from the wind, and that was the most important thing because like out in Florence along the coast, there was big storms and the winds were expected to be like 30 miles an hour. And so we just camped here. It's BLM land, didn't cost anything, and it's really calm. It's not raining, and so we are gonna head to Florence right now. But look at this beautiful place that we've been, just gorgeous. Let's go. All right, just leaving our Salmon Marina. Camping was really beautiful. The worst of the storms are over. It's still quite drizzly and wet, but there's really very little wind, and this area can get very, very windy. So that was a real plus. And we were camped in the mountains during the worst of the storms. And so we spent one night here. I was with Patty, my friend Patty, in her van, and she got a chance to try out a lot of stuff, a lot of new stuff. And now we're going to be parting ways. I'm heading south, and she's heading back to Portland. So it was really, really fun to camp with her, and I really just had a really good time waiting to turn left, waiting for all these RVs to pass. Here we go. Oh, one more. Oh, no, he's turning, so I can go. So yeah, this is cute little Winchester Bay just south of Florence. And now I'm heading south to Brookings today. I'm thinking about getting new tires for my trailer. The inside of my tires are a little bit worn. And so I'm going to stop in at Schwab and see what they say. And then I'm going to head down to Crescent City, where my sister lives. So it should be a really nice drive. I'm on Highway 101 heading south. Got a beautiful bay here. This might still be Winchester Bay. A little bit drizzly. Not too bad though. Roads are wet. So we're coming into Coos Bay with its very picturesque bridge. Just beautiful. Coos Bay, Oregon. A little bit drizzly. Yeah, it's really a cool bridge, isn't it? Cathedral beams. Crossing another bridge. I think this one is crossing into Bandon. Crossing over the Coquille River. Another cool bridge. The sun is trying to come out. It's still a little foggy, a little hazy. But the roads are drying. On my way to Brookings and maybe even Crescent City in California today. Got a viewpoint. I've stopped to have a little bite to eat. Got this beautiful trailer and has a full kitchen and a bathroom, so I'll stop and enjoy this phenomenal view here. Isn't this incredible? So the haze is burning off and it's turning into a beautiful sunny day. I'm wearing a coat. I'm completely overdressed. It's got to be close to 70 degrees out here. Oh, just really fantastic. So yeah, get back into Beastie and Bestie, pull Bestie on down the road, and next stop will be Brookings. All right, so we are coming into Brookings, and a few weeks ago, a friend of mine was looking over my trailer and noticed that the inside of my tires were worn, and he suggested that I go have them looked at, maybe get new tires. And when I was at the Recovery Retreat, I stopped at a tire store there and they said, yes, your tires are worn on the inside. They said it's not urgent to get new tires, but probably want to do it sooner than later. And so it's a pretty big purchase. This trailer takes 4 tires, and Oregon doesn't have any sales tax. And so Brookings is the last stop in Oregon. And so I'm going to stop at a Schwab tire store and see what they say. See if they think I need new tires, and if they have the tires, maybe I'll just have them replace them now. So that is on my agenda for today, and we'll see what they say. Okay, so my stop here in Brookings has been very successful. I got my gas tank filled up. Boy, I got only 10 cents off a gallon. I shop at Fred Meyer, so they have those reward points. I think that's the least. Shut my window. It's a little noisy out there. But so that made it $3.81 a gallon, which is still pretty high. Oh my gosh. But I saved a lot of money stopping it at Schwab because they said I didn't need tires. I'm sure anybody else would have said, of course you need tires. And it would have cost me hundreds of dollars because my trailer needs 4 tires. So now it's a gorgeous day and I am heading to Crescent City, and I'm going to pull into a RV park where some triking friends, Dave and Edna, are staying. They're spending the night, and it's such a beautiful day that I think we're going to get our trikes out and go for a spin. All right, everybody, welcome to California. We did it. Del Norte County. And when you cross into California, first thing you have to do is go through the agricultural checkpoint. Because they've got 2 lines today. Like this, so you guys can see.
Are we circling back to Oregon today?
No.
All right. Are we traveling with any plants, fruits, or firewood?
No.
You have a
none.
great day.
Thank you so much. Take care. It's pretty narrow. All right, you guys, we're in California. The Redwood Gate to the Golden State. Check out these gas prices. I paid $3.81, which I thought was a lot. And gas here in California is right around $5 a gallon. So it's going to be an expensive trip, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. Lighthouse Cove RV Park.
Turn right, then turn right.
And then turn right. Never camped here?
Turn right, then the destination is on your left.
But my friends Dave and Edna are camped here, and so I'm going to find them, get checked in, and it's so beautiful that I'm hoping they are going to want to get their trikes out and we can go for a ride. All right, everybody, so I have made it to Crescent City and I am all unhitched, and I'm going to be here for a week visiting with my sister. And look who I found. I found Edna and Dave. Hello. Slug cyclists from Portland, and they are on their way to Tucson, and I'm going to show them a really cool ride, Wonder Stump Road, but you're going to have to wait till the next video to see that ride. Thanks for watching, everybody.